everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and this video right here is going to be an unboxing video, okay? So I'm going to be doing 2 Louis Vuitton unboxings, and I know I said I wasn't going to buy anything Louis Vuitton for a while, but you guys already know how it is. I've made a few purchases, and I definitely want to go ahead and come to you guys and share them with you, and we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. But before we do, if you like these types of videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more unboxings and other luxury good talk. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I do believe that if you guys have been subscribed to me for a little while, that you guys are going to be surprised at one of these unboxings because I've sold this bag many times. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so for this first item right here, I did purchase it online, and I do believe Louis Vuitton is out of boxes because my bag did not come in a box. It simply came in this bag, and it was inside of a dust bag. All right, so it was just thrown in the bag inside of a dust bag, and I was really surprised when I saw it. But then my friend who's in the luxury addicted group on Facebook told me that other people were complaining that they are not getting boxes, so I knew it wasn't just me. So obviously they have some type of shortage of boxes, so that is what it is. I took it out of the dust bag and inspected it and made sure it was okay. So let's go ahead and open this up. And as soon as I pull it out, y'all are going to know what it is. Well, maybe not. All right, so here's the bag right here. You guys already know how this goes. We're not going to get into all of that. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here it is right here, guys. We have the Speedy 25 in the Damier Ebene print, and I know you guys are like, you know what, she has sold every Speedy that she's had, but I really did want this Speedy in this print and this size. I've had it for a few days now, and I've worn it 2 times since I've had it, and it's just really cute. One of the main reasons why I chose to get this bag is because I do not have a medium-sized bag with the zipper. So I have tote bags, and then I have small crossbody bags, but to me this is considered a medium-sized bag, and I don't have any medium-sized bags with zippers. So if I was to go somewhere on a date where I needed a little bit more, then you would put in a crossbody, but less than you would put in a tote, and I wanted to have the convenience and the privacy and the security of a zipper, I wouldn't have a bag for that. So I think the size 25 is a really great size to have, and I love this print. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I had the Speedy 35 in the Damier Ebene, and the only reason why I sold it was because it was a bit big. So I think that the Speedy 25 in this size is absolutely perfect. It's super cute, and I'm gonna definitely be using it with bag charm. This is not a review or anything, but you guys already know that it has that beautiful red interior on the inside, and it's just a gorgeous bag. It looks really good dressed up with bag charms and things like that. This new version has the matte handles, which a lot of people say they don't like. It doesn't bother me, but I think that this is just a beautiful classic bag. And again, I've had 2 Speedy 25s and a Speedy 35. This is the 4th Speedy that I've had, so I obviously do like Speedies, but I just have to find the right print and size for me, and I think that this is it. Okay, so yeah, this is the Speedy 25 Damier Ebene print, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So moving on to the next item, I've been wanting these for a very long time, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get them. And this is something that I'm gonna really wear a lot in the winter and the fall. And you know, Louis Vuitton continues to do price increases, and I was like, you know what, I don't know if the price is gonna increase on these, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get them. I did receive these yesterday, and then I had to go to the Louis Vuitton store to get a different size because they did not fit properly. And I'm going to tell you guys about my experience going to the store the first time after quarantine. That's going to be another video, but we're going to go ahead and get these opened. So these are shoes, if you haven't guessed. So with their shoes, I did receive a box for these, so that's good. So with their shoes, you do have the slide out box, and here's my receipt and everything. Okay, so when you get Louis Vuitton shoes, they do put them in 2 separate bags, which is great. I like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these opened up. Okay guys, so here is the shoe right here. And let me step out of the frame so you guys can see it properly. Okay guys, so these are the Louis Vuitton Runaway sneakers, and I have them in the black, the color Noir. And these sneakers to me are absolutely beautiful. Just the detail of them is absolutely beautiful. When it comes down to sneakers, I love Air Max, and these give me Air Max vibes. They're the same kind of style and shape as Air Max. And you have so much detail on these. You have the suede, you have the leather, you have the canvas. It has really great details, but to me, it's not doing too much at all. And then on the inside, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. Initially, I got these in the size 36.5, but that was a little big. So I did go to the store yesterday and I ended up getting them in a 36, and it fits pretty well. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a mini review on these shoes while I have you here. One thing about these shoes is that you can take the insole out of these shoes. This insole right here does have a it's very thick at the bottom, so it's gonna give you some height, but you can take them out and wear them without the insole, and I find that I like them both ways. Now, if you're gonna be wearing super thick socks, wearing these without the insole is the best way to go. But if you're gonna have super thick socks on and you wear them with the insole, then they may be a little tight on you. Being that this has this wedge right here, it pushes your toes forward. But if you're gonna wear them with thick socks without the insole, then you can do that, and it's pretty comfortable. But you can also get like a Dr. Scholl's or something and put that on the inside of there just to give you a little bit more cushion. So that's not something that I've really heard people mention when they've done their videos. But I do think I'm going to do a separate video on these just to let everybody know, you know, what my experience is with them. Okay, so here are both of the shoes together. And as you see, they're absolutely gorgeous, beautiful shoes. Now in the box, they did include some extra shoestrings. When I looked at reviews, some people said that they got white shoestrings, but I got black, which is fine with me. But yeah, they did include these in the box. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if so, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, go ahead and comment below, let me know if you've bought anything recently, and I am going to include links to every item that I mentioned in the description bar because it is in stock as of the time of this video, so you can definitely go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.